My name is Jay Bhatia and today I am going to teach you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So first, before I teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube, I will teach you the algorithms and the parts of a Rubik's Cube so it's easier for you to understand and so that you learn more quickly. Okay, so this piece, which is only one side, this is called the center. A block which has two sides, 1 and 2. This is called the edge, and a block which has three sides, 1, 2 and 3. This is called the corner. So now that I have learned the parts of a Rubik's Cube, I will teach you the algorithms. The first algorithm I will teach you is up, down, so up, top layer move. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, I've taught you the right hand algorithm. This is what we'll use most of the times. And the first, second step. In the third and other steps, we will use the left hand algorithm, which is exactly as the right hand algorithm but mirrored. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I'm too fast for you, please rewatch the video again and again until you understand. Now that you've learned the algorithms, we are ready to solve the cube. Now as you can see, I have mixture in front of you. Now the first step we need to do is make a cross of white sides over here, and that's the first step. So as you can see, one edge is already here. Now you have to get three sides over here, here and here. Now let's find a white edge. Here it is. We can just rotate the down layer so that it lines with the center. Now that we have done that, let's find another edge. Over here it is. Let's move the middle layer up like this, and then over here is the white edge, so we can just rotate this layer. 1, 2, side 1, 2 and 3. Now only we have to get a white edge over here. Let's find a white edge. Here it is. All we need to do is get this over here. So 1 and like that. If the corners are white, it does not matter. Now we can just move the top layers, the side layers, the other side layer and the bottom layer, so that we get all the white edges from here to here. Now we have to make a white side. Let's look for white corners. Here we will use the left hand algorithm also and the right hand algorithm. Here is the white corner. To make it easier, we can just do the left hand algorithm. And done. We have got the piece from over here to down over here. If you want to do it longer, you can just do the right hand algorithm. Now let's find another corner. Here it is. We can just do the right hand algorithm. We have got the piece here. Now let's do the left hand algorithm to get this piece over here. It does not matter how many algorithms you have to do to get the piece, it will eventually come there. Alright, so now we have done the whole white side. Now we will do the first row. For that, so sometimes the center pieces, edges do not match the center pieces. It does not matter at all. First we will do the corners so we can focus on the edges later. Let me just move this piece so that it matches with the red. So one row of me is done. Now let's solve the other two. So this is not on its place. This should be here and this should be here. For that, first we do the right hand algorithm, but only half. We do not move the top piece again. And then the left hand algorithm, and then again the right hand algorithm. See, we have changed the corners. Now let's see around the cube. Well, all of my corners are at one place. Now only the middle pieces I have to exchange. For this, I will use an algorithm which I made on my own. And I'm sorry I forgot to show it to you in the start of the video. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. It's as easy as that. We rotate the cube 1 and done. Rotate the cube again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now last time 1. Now we have done the first row. Now we can do the second row. It's quite easy. So as I have taught you the left hand algorithm before, we won't need to waste time learning it again. So first we put this edge. So first we use the edges which do not have a yellow color. So we can use this edge even though this edge does not have a yellow color. But I will use this edge first. So we put it opposite of its location as it should be here. And now as it's going on the left hand side, we will do the left hand algorithm first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have got the piece from here to here. Now we can do this one. It should come right left again. We can do it again. The same thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Return the cube. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will show you some other scenarios which you might face after I do this step also. Now I've almost done the whole cube except this part. Let's see. Now it has to go on the right side. We rotate the cube opposite of its position. Now it's going towards the right. It has to come towards the right. So we will do the right hand algorithm first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we turn the cube. Then we do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? Now we have got a cube. Sometimes, now after we have done the second row, we have to do a cross. Now sometimes at the cross, you are lucky and you already have a cross. But if not, you have a dot like me, please follow my instructions carefully. Rotate the front face clockwise, do the right hand algorithm once, then turn the front face again. Now you have an L shape. Sometimes you won't have a dot, you only have a L shape. I like to refer to it as 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock, put it as a position as 9 o'clock. Move the front face. Then do the right hand algorithm. You have to do it twice, but I will do it once to show another scenario. Now you have got a line but no edges over here and here. In that case, you do the same thing. Move the front piece and do the right hand algorithm one time. And voila! You have it like this. Now we have to get these edges, yellow color edges, over here. Here. For that, let's see on which side the yellow side is. It's on the left side. So we will do the left hand algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Till it goes down. Then we rotate the bottom piece. So the yellow one is under our two white ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now rotate the bottom piece again. Now you have one last yellow to put in its place. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you have done it correctly, you must have the same result that I have. But then you may also rotate the bottom piece at your will to match these bottom two colors. Now I've got the whole yellow side, keeping the white side and the first two intact. If your white side and the first two rows are spoiled, that means you have done it wrong. Please try again and do the correct. Now, sometimes it won't just start off, so now you won't have just fixed the cube. Sometimes you have got this piece in its right place and this piece, they both are diagonal. In this situation, all you have to do is, let's say, go right here, do the right hand algorithm 3 times, turn the cube, do the left hand algorithm 3 times. Now we can just do the same thing again, but with the right, cause the yellow side is on the right hand. So let's do the right hand algorithm. Now that we have done the right hand algorithm, we can and place it over the bottom over here. We can just turn the bottom cube and do it again. Now we can do the last cube and put it on its place. Now that we have got it on its place, let's see what's changed. Now we have got those two on their places. We can easily switch these two around, doing the same process again. 3 times right hand algorithm, turn the cube, and 3 times left algorithm. Now let's do the whole right hand algorithm again, because the yellow is on the right side. Now turn the bottom cube. And now last cube we have to put on its place. Sometimes it can get a little frustrating, but no matter. Now we can just put the cube on its position. So now you must have one of the sides solved, in my case blue, white and yellow. In some situations you might not have any solved because the center edge over here, which matches the yellow color, is wrong. It does not matter. Choose any side of your cube, do the right hand algorithm once, do the left hand algorithm once, and then do the right hand algorithm 5 times. And do the left hand algorithm 5 times. Now you must have one side solved. Then you can repeat the same thing again till all of your sides are solved. Then, voila, you have your solved cube. Please subscribe to my channel and like my channel if this video was helpful. Thank you.